Learn present tense stroke past tense in Igbo language and their meanings. Present tense, past tense. Present tense. Example number 1 is kele, greet. Kele, greet. Kele is in present tense, meaning greet. Past tense of kele is kelere, greeted. Kurume, greet. Kurume, greet. Past tense of kurume means kurume, greeted. The changes here is that we have double u, making it to be past tense. After ke, you have double u. Another word is bo, call. Bo, call. Bo means to call someone, either through phone or through mouth. Past tense of bo is boro, called. Kwa, plant. Kwa, plant. Past tense of kwa is koro, planted. You can see that here is kwa. Some may use o, that is 0 with dot under this one. They will use it and fix here and remove this a. It means kwa. It's just the same thing. It means plant. Another one is parita oka, meaning discuss. Parita oka, discuss. Past tense of parita oka is paritara oka, discussed. That is to discuss something with someone. Kulite, carry up. Kulite, carry up. We use this especially when we want to carry a baby. We tell the person kulite, meaning carry up. Past tense of kulite is kulitere, carried up. Buchie, cover. Buchie, cover. Past tense of buchie is buchiri, covered. Another one is kwe, believe. Kwe, believe. Kwe also means agree. Kwe means believe or agree. Past tense of kwe is kwere, meaning believed or agreed. Gbafue, wander away. Gbafue, wander away. Some may remove this a and put o. It becomes gbafuo. It's all the same thing. Wander away. Past tense of it is gbafuru, wandered away. Wo, speak. Wo, speak. Some may remove this o and put a. This is a here. They put it here. It becomes we. It also means speak. Past tense of wo is uru, spoke. Bezie, reconcile. Bezie, reconcile. Past tense of bezie is beziri, reconciled. All these are examples of present tense and the past tense, some of them in Igbo language. Ask your questions at the comment section. Share our videos. Follow for more. Bye.